Welcome to Mentor Mike's Real-Time Video Trading Room for Monday, September 15th, 2014. It's about 6:34 Pacific time. Our day session has just recently opened and I'm getting short. Okay, we've hit the first target. Move the stop. We're in free trade now. Let's see if we can hit target number 2. Okay, it bounced up, stopped us out with just the one target, a whopping $21, but there will be other opportunities. So while we're waiting for another opportunity to develop, let's take a look at what might be going on. Here's how we ended up on Friday, and take these off. We ended with what appears to be a very obvious 5-wave impulse pattern. We've got an extended wave 3, and so the question is this A, and now we're maybe doing B, and then there will be a C, and we'll go lower? Or is this somehow wave 1, and what we're looking at is some kind of wave 2 before we go higher? My gut feel right at the moment is lower, and I say that for a number of reasons. On our longer term chart, it looks like we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 isn't quite finished yet. And you can see we have basically a bearish alignment on our dual MACD on our high time frame here. So that suggests that we're going to get lower, and it's happening already, so let's get short. And we'll see what happens. And we've hit the first target already, and maybe we're going to make the second target. We shall see. Okay, we've hit the second target. That means we're off to a good start today. Let's see what else will happen. And there's our third target, quite a ways down. Okay, we are stopped out after 2 targets. Our score is $392, so we're about 40% of the way to our grand a day. I'll let you know when we have our next opportunity. Well, it looks like the price is going up, but I suggest that it's really planning to go down, and here's why I say that. This appears to be a completed 5-wave pattern, as we said before. This cannot be wave 1 and 2, because 2 would have retraced more than 100% of wave 1. Therefore, it must be A, B, and we are now in C. Now, C may come all the way up to here. It may even take out the high that we currently have in the new day. But ultimately, the price will sell off again. Because, remember, a correction lies between 2 impulse waves headed in the same direction, in this case, down. So, we'll see. Alright, we have a bullish alignment on our MACDs, and our suspected C wave is attempting to break across the trend definer. I think there will be enough movement there for at least the first target. So let's get long. Well, the market pulled back a bit, but it eventually took off to the upside and hit our first target. Let's see if we get to the second one. Well, the price is flirting with our second target there. The asking price is sitting right on it. We've had several trades take place at that price, but haven't gone the extra tick to get filled. I'm hanging on here hoping that you'll get a chance to see that target get hit, but it's pulling back right now. Don't want to waste too much video time. I'll let you know when we hit it. Well, we finally succeeded in hitting the second target, and then the market has dropped. So that may be all we can expect here, because this is, after all, probably a wave C, which means we're going to start selling off into the new bearish pattern here pretty soon. Now, could I be wrong? Absolutely. But it's looking pretty much like my estimate is on the money here. Also notice that we've got these three big parabolic modules. When you get an ABC pattern separating two impulse patterns, it's not unusual for each of the three waves, A, B, and C, to have their own large parabolic module. So that also kind of helps me think that I am on the right track here. Anyway, we shall see. Okay, we got stopped out and we flipped the red parabolic. So I am going to get short. Well, I'll let you know what happens. We have hit the first target, and we're still hovering around our entry point here, so I don't know what else we can expect, but I'll let you know. Well, we took a little bounce here and hit the stop, so all we got was the bare minimum. But our score now is 734, so we're not quite 3/4 of the way to our goal. I'll let you know when we have something else to talk about. Okay, it is time to get short once again. All right, we hit the first target. Now we're just kind of stuck. Let's see what else might happen. I'll let you know. Okay, we got stopped out. Our score is now 867.50. And I'll be back when we have something else to look at. Looks like we're breaking to the upside. So let's get long. And our first target finally got filled. So we're in free trade mode. Let's see where this thing's going to end up. Okay, I have tightened the stop to our entry point, even though the red parabolic is a little bit below it, because we have our grand today, and at this point I see no reason to risk it, and we just got stopped out. And as you can see, the score is $1,038.50. And as I tell you every time, that is net of a $6 per contract transaction cost. So once again, you have seen that it is entirely possible to make $1,000 in a day trading the S&P E-mini. So thank you very much for your kind attention, and we'll see you again real soon.